I'm filming a YouTube video because
his uncle knows who can was but that.
Ma.
George
Mama.
I like Mia.
It's not about the views. It's about the views. I'm actually sick of TikTok. Like, oh, Mastika. I'm actually sick of TikTok. I swear to God. I'm sick of it. I'm the thick of it. Everybody knows. Just let me catch you guys. Actually, so that's to charge TikTok line. Motherfucking money in my motherfucking hands. I'm like, you ain't about motherfucking hands. I got hit the fans in the sand. Do the level, they hit it, spending bands. Come down, cause people call long as you bitches know what's up. It's Dolce, bitch, me, C-O-E, Donna, bitch, you notice me. I thought you got that, cause you's a wildcat. You leave me with a big... Getting ready like so million years ago, but my dad is still not here. And low-key irritating me. Guys, look, I don't know what's happening to my edging. Yeah, guys, my mom is getting this treatment. And she's going to Amran. Anyway, she's getting her facial done. I'm gonna do that when my period comes. I'm gonna put my period blood on my face. I think I did that. Like when my period comes, my period is met. Come what do you see? Like period of the chicken barabo.
Just eggy.
Wallahi.
Literally,
I'm not gonna cut it. Like it's actually really nutritious for your face.
Google it.
Yeah, like you know, period blood is about to period blood cancer and cure ማድረግ እንደሚችል guys get like obviously ብዙ ጥናት አልተካሄደም ግን I'm gonna use my period blood. I see a woman doing that. I really period blood are so clean. የምር በጣም clean ነው እኮ. It's literally your uterine outlining blood እኮ ነው. I'm gonna do it for my face. Nana episode በአንድ ጊዜ በቃ በጣም ብዙ ነው እያየሁ ያለሁት and me and my sisters every ክረምት አንድ ኬ ድራማ እናያለን ሁላችንም. we studied ምንድን ነበር study groupን እያየነው ነው. it's so funny በቃ በጣም ነው የሚያስቀው. ብቻዬን ደግሞ I'm watching Nana and I like it. So far so good. I think Nana's gonna die.
I will never
እና ኤፒሶድ 19 ላይ 47 ኤፒሶድ ነው ያለው እኔ ኤፒሶድ 19 ላይ ነው Shoji is so annoying. Like he's so annoying, I swear to God. And the first part when she was getting freaking groomed, but I'm not gonna make up. Oh my God, I hate men. They're genuinely so annoying. And I'm watching it with Dub. Sab no more dog. I need Dub no I Dabu yenana, but I'm going to know like. ብዙ ነገር ሰብ ማይቻሽ የናናን ግን ደብ እያሉ እሱን አይታችሁታል ጋይስ? I love it. እንዴት ነበር? ቺ ልጅ እንደው We bought my computer and now we're at Burger King. You get actual Burger King, you know, what is I think it's the actual Burger King. Yeah. Really? Is it good? I thought it was like fake.
He disgusts me.
Actually got a good deal. Again, I didn't want my desired which is really sad. But whatever, it's cool. We're waiting for our food. Oh, Don Julio. Don Julio. Oh, what's Don Julio?
I don't know.
It's alcohol, dude. What the heck is that?
Your name Don Julio.
Let me show you guys my outfit.
Whose outfit is better? Obviously me. Guys, I'm editing my YouTube video right here. Let me show you. It's my first time editing it. Guys, it's literally my first time and it feels so cute. Wait. Doesn't this look so professional? But I don't know anything though. You thought she was I just be splitting and deleting. Lila mako nagarilla.
It's cute editing.
I didn't film cute though. I didn't film any cute nagar. And ask me please. Guys, editing on PC, not editing on phone, but you know, because I'm not even doing anything different. I'm just splitting and like cutting.
As the manager,
and now guys, I'm actually tweaking like I'm running in a car. No, sorry, like editing it but obviously it's like this is so much more complicated. And imagine if I become like a super editor, people would want to hire me. Would you hire me? Would you notice me? Would you notice me? You're disgusting, guys. I vowed to never burp on my YouTube again, but then there's her just like burping away. Do you want to say hi? Say hi, Sabri. Say hi. Sabri, with your whole face. Sabri, say hi with your whole freaking face. Like
just
we understood each other really fast. You know, like where your friend is a famous YouTuber and then you just look good honish amrish, you just say hi and then they go yeah, she saw video like and this like that's good. But
because you want I'm going to do that every day because I'm feeling
imagine tattoo ማለት ነው. I want to say one thing. አንድ ጊዜ ኮፍያሽን አድርገሽ ዲያጎጭ wallahi lazim, I'm serious. You're ruining my YouTube famous girl career. Gibby, always coming into my YouTube videos. Wait, my brother, look. Oh, Tatu yanyaw rasin na kain. Chili jamasa. De. ያኛው አብሪው ደሞ መስማ አይሰማም የሚል ሰውዬ like nay come stop and like listen to what I'm complaining about. Always coming in my YouTube videos without your hijab and then I have to cut it. Did you not want me to be successful and super famous and rich?
I do.
Do you not want me to be more successful? I swear to God, because I'm gonna bomb clot you. In the name of bomb clot. እንዴ ለምን መሻት ውጪ እኮ አይደለም ያለችሽ ሀያት ነው ያለችሽ እሺ ውጪ እኔ ነው ያለችኝ always
ሀያት ታድቀት የፈለግሽው አሳውኩ እየተደኩልሽ ነው ታየኝ ራስ ሰሞናይ ወላሂ I swear to God, guys, we're watching the Calgary sisters because we wanted to be jealous for a little bit.
Oh my baby.
Guys, do you guys watch me and like think like I want to be like her?
Oh my God, no.
Really?
Like you.
Okay, that was kind of harsh. Like you don't think people watch? You don't think people watch some of my videos and be like, I want to be like her or like be her friend
and she makes a mistake. Oh my God, she makes me confident.
No. Like no, I love that too. But like sometimes don't you want people to look at you and be like, I want to be her friend. I want to be her.
I want to be her friend.
I want to be with her.
I want to be her friend.
Damn.
There is nothing.
I'm just really chopped. Okay, again, in the next like 2 years when my life actually changes, you're gonna be real jealous. I want to make people jealous. Why do I want people to make me jealous? To make people jealous.
You're jealous.
I'm a jealous person, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I see you doing good, I'll obviously be happy for you. But it's always when I see people doing good, maybe it's a bad thing, Sabri. When I see people doing good, yeah, malagacho kone. Amagacho kones. Like the thing is, you know the difference? የምታውቂው ሰው ሲሆን ማለት ነው
like you know how hard they worked.
Yeah.
You're like they deserve it. But then የማታውቂው ሰው ዝም ብሎ ፖስት እያደረገው ከሆነ like obviously they put so much work in it but they don't show you that. So you're like, did it just come? ብላችሁ
Don't put the work.
ያስቀናቸዋል። ገብታችኋል? That's why. ግን አሁን my friends, my family, I know how hard they tried. Booty. So it's like well deserved. Anyways, just so you know, if I become rich, I didn't work for it. Oh, ew, I'm so ugly. I'm so choppy. Good morning, guys. Oh, Dada Maniaza. Guys, is this something wrong? Wait. Okay, guys, I went back to bed. To what? Guys, look at my what is it called? My screensaver, my lock screensaver, whatever. It's Buddha. I love Buddha. Buddha's my favorite. And then whatever this is, I don't really know. Good thing Enough here. I always wanted to do this. Like ምንም ነገር ለየት ያለ ነገር እየሰራሁ አይደለም. I'm just editing. Good. I always wanted to come እንደዚህ መሀል ላይ ብዬ Hey guys, I forgot to film today and every day because I'm actually like so sick and tired of this house. I can't do this. I look like Doja Cat from that music where she allegedly became Illuminati. So tired of life. Like it's all so boring. Wait, I thought I made it look pretty. I still look chopped as fuck. Wait. I even wore this so it goes, because I thought it goes more with the outfit. Wait, okay, let me do it like this, I guess more. Just wear more in the dark. Guys, the boredom will make you do all sort of things, I swear. Edit me like this, please. Please, I'm actually losing my mind. እግሬ በመስኮት ወጥቷል እንደምታዩት። አሁን ምን 10 ብር ራሱ አይሸጥ ምን በመሸጠው እኔ ለመራመድ ነው የምጠቀም።
ስለዚህ like ፎቶ ምናምን ይሸጣል 0.1 ብር ራሱ።
ምን አለሽ ትገዣለሽ?
እገዛለሁ አንዳንድ ጊዜ።
ወላሂ የወንድ እግር ነው የሚመስለው ሎኪ። ግን ከረገጠ ይበቃል። ለካት አዲስ ዘፈን መውጫ ቀይ ስለሆነ ቲማቸው እነሱ ጊዜ ነው እንደምታዩት። እግሬንም እንደዚህ አድርጌ ያወጣቸው። You keep a secret safe with me. Wallahi, like I really don't think I can do this anymore. ክረምት መጽሐፍ ራሱ ማንበብ አልችልም። ራሴን ያመመኝ ነው። ዝም ብሎ ራሴን ያመመኝ። እስቲ አንቺ መጽሐፍ አምጪልኝ፣ አማርኛ መስጥ መጽሐፍ አምጪልኝ እስቲ ማለት
አማርኛ መስቅ መጽሐፍ። ተኝታለች። ቤት ያለሁት ማይ ማም ፊቷን በተታከብ ይኸውላችሁ ዚንክ ነገር ተሰጥቷት ፍሪጅ ውስጥ አስቀምጪ ተብላ ፍሪጅ ውስጥ ሳታስቀምጥ ፊቷን ስታረግበት ነበረ እና ሴትዮዋ ዶክተሯ ነው ያለቻት። ቶሎ ብለን ሄድን። ቡልሺት ሊበላውት ቡልሺት ላሰማችሁ ቺፕሱ እንዴት እንደማይረባ ወይ You guys don't know, I'm reading this book. እና እንገራችሁ እዚህ ጋር ነኝ እና የሞቱ ቤተሰብ ያላቸው ሰዎች ናቸው በቃ የሚላቀሱብኝ እና እሱን ያለ አረ አይባልም ይቅር በለኝ። ኢትስ ፊክሽን though I don't want to make it. we're buying lash clusters for me.
ደግሞ ቆዳዬ ብልሽት ብሏል በቃ።
Oh my god, I'm so... What am I doing?
Oh, seriously, nigga.
Guys, I'm wearing my this one right now because people keep staring at me because I'm like super famous. Hold it. Yeah, hold it in this one.
Ooh, ከስካዩ ጋር በጣም ፌመስ ትመስያለሽ።
ግብሬት ስልኪን ለሰጥ በደንብ ይዘሻል?
አዎ አይነ እስቲ እንዲህ ሞክረኝ በቀኛል።
ኦ ሺት እንዴት ነው ማማ? ኦኬ ሰቀዘ
ወላሂ ላዚ የሆነ እንትን ትመስያለሽ። ዳንስ አድርጊ እስቲ አሪፍ በጣም ዛሬ አውትፊትሽ ትንሽ ሃንሶ ጋብሪኤል ሂፕሆፕ ቫይብስ ሂፕሆፕ ነው የሚሰጥሽ።
ፓኬጂም ሳይመጣ አርፍዳብኝ ልጅቷ 40 ደቂቃ ጠብቂያት ሴንቸሪ መጣን ዝም ብለን ወግነው ስፓይደርማን ቁርሳችን ነው በልተናል። ስለዚህ በሙሉ ሆድ ነው ስፓይደርማን የሚታየው። እሺ
ፈረደበት ስፓይደርማን።
ሃይ አትራጥሚያ
በጣም
I'm Spider-Man and my girlfriend forgot about me. Looks so በጣም ቆንጆ። Oh my god. Like the red thing coming, but it's making me look so beautiful. What the hell? እንደዚህ ሲል ግን I look chopped.
በቃ ሌባ ነው ሌባ
Oh my god, so cute. ይሻላል በስት ውስጥ እንዲነገኝ እንትን ይህን ያህል በቃ ለየት ያለ ነገር የለውም። ምስና ዳዲፕ
አይ ላይ ሳማሪ ስጠኝ ብትሉ
ምንም መሰራት አልነበረበትም። ሲጀመር ፊልሙ ውዝአስ የሚያለቅሱት ሜቢ we're not a fan ግን እኔ እንኳን ላለቅስ ቀርቶ ጋይስ ዛሬ ሳምሪ ዲያስፖራ ተባለች and then they were like ባንክ ክፈች አሉኝ። ያልጠቀመውም ግን ዝም ብዬ ልክፈትላቸው አልኳቸው። ከዛ 100 ብር አስገቢ እኔ 100 ብር ስንት ማረግበትን ለነሱ ባንክ መክፈቻ ለማልጠቅም ከዛ ሞባይል ባንክ ምናምን ትከፍቻለሽ። ከዛ ወለች እናያትና ኧረ በእናትሽ ቤት ያለውን አላነበብኩትም እና ቤትን ክፈች ያለሽ ብር እሷ ይለኛል። እሷ እኮ በእኔ እኮ ነው እየሄደች የምትሄድ የምትወጣ የምትገባ እኔ ይዣት እየወጣ ከዛ ብቻስ በልታኝ ነበር አጉል እንደ ሀብታም ሲሰራት በታክሲ እንደ ነገር ታክሲ አናገኝ ጥላለሽም ከንቱ ብቻ በቃ ወደ ቤት ስንገባ እናወራቸዋለን። ባይ Guys, I know this video is low-key all over the place, But I don't care. I'm tired. Like, I don't care. Like, the editing is very lazy, and I was like, I want to learn editing. I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm just shut the fuck up. I'm just like learning that I really don't be giving a fuck, you know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm mean to you guys. I probably should be more thankful and grateful, but well, yeah. So yeah, love you guys.